learn about stars. Did you know that stars are made of gas and air? No, I didn't. And did you know that the sun is a star? Very hot stars can be white or blue. Did you know the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius? That is so hot, we can't even go on it. Don't forget to look in the sky for stars tonight. Thanks for your time. We've got a blast. Hi guys, do you want to talk about satellites while I do chat to you? Yeah? Do you know that the moon is the Earth's natural satellite and the Earth is the sun's natural satellite? What? Satellites are a man-made object in space and symbols to Earth. Moons are a natural satellite. Satellites orbit stars, moons, and planets. If we didn't have man-made satellites, then we wouldn't be able to phone each other or watch TV. What? I know, right? So, look out in the sky tonight and see if you can see a satellite. So, see you later. Hi everyone, my name is Ellie, and today I'm talking about constellations. And did you know that there is 88 constellations in the sky at night? And if you little kids don't know what a constellation is, it's a group of stars that make a picture. Now I am going to shoot away like a shooting star.
Hi everyone, we've been learning about gravity and the moon and orbiting. Gravity keeps us on the ground.
I've been learning about orbiting, and did you know that it takes a year for the sun to orbit the Earth to orbit the sun, and it takes a month for the moon to orbit the Earth.
The moon is smaller than the Earth, so it has less gravity. We could go on and on about gravity, the moon, and orbiting, but sadly we have to orbit away. I don't know what to do.
Hi, I am going to explain about the moon. The moon is orbiting the Earth. Why the moon can stay in its orbit, it's because of the gravity on Earth. And I am going to explain about the sun. The sun is 1.49 million kilometers wide. And did you know the sun is 93 million miles from Earth? Oh, we have no more time to explain about the moon and the sun. Bye! Hi guys, my name's Vivi and this is my friend Isla. Hi! Today we're going to be talking to you about how Earth was made.
But first we're going to talk to you about how gravity holds us down. I learned that gravity pulls all the dust together, and that is how Earth was made. Gravity pulls everything down so everything doesn't fall out. And gravity is the force.
Did you know back in the olden days, an asteroid hit the earth and wiped out the dinosaurs.
And did you know that if the stars explode, it will make a black hole?
Hi guys, I have been learning about black holes. So has my friend Lola. And do you know if black holes can suck in the air? Can they? Well, no need to worry about that because scientists tell us that black holes are too far away. Black holes are so strong that nothing can escape them.
Really? How would you like to play a game of true or false? You get to guess what is true or not. Our favorite subject is black holes. Black holes form when giant stars explode at the end of their life cycle. Hands up for false, hands up for true. It's actually true. They do form when giant stars explode at the end of their life cycle. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.
Hi, how would you like to learn about Voyager 1? Voyager 1 was launched by NASA on September the 5th, 1977. The spacecraft still communicates with the Deep Space Network. If you would like to know more about Voyager 1, ask me. Hi guys, do you know the sun is biggest is the closest star to an